What if I told you that right now in your city, there are hundreds of businesses paying people $1,000 to $1,500 for something you can build in 5 minutes, completely for free? No coding, no design experience, no degree, just a laptop, an internet connection, and one free AI tool. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method to build AI websites for local businesses and turn it into $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a month in recurring income. And I mean recurring, not one-time payments, every single month. Stay until the end, because in Section 8, I'm going to show you the exact math of what this looks like at 5 clients, 10 clients, and 20 clients. Let's get into it. Here's something most people don't realize. In 2026, 1 in 4 local businesses still doesn't have a website, 1 in 4. And among the businesses that do have a website, nearly half of them have websites so slow and so outdated that they actually hurt the business more than they help it. Now here's why this matters more than ever in 2026 specifically. Think about how you find things now. You don't just Google anymore. You ask ChatGPT, you ask Google's AI, you type "best plumber near me," and you expect an intelligent answer, not just a list of blue links. Here's the brutal truth those business owners don't know yet. If a business doesn't have a proper website, AI search engines like ChatGPT Search and Google SGE literally cannot find them. They don't show up. They don't get recommended. They don't exist as far as the algorithm is concerned. A plumber who has been in business for 20 years with 500 happy customers and the best reviews in town, completely invisible, because they never built a website. And here's the thing. These business owners know they need one. They've known for years. They just don't know how to build one. They don't want to learn. And they can't afford to pay a traditional web design agency $5,000 to $10,000 for a custom build. That gap between what they need and what they can get is exactly where your opportunity lives. Until very recently, building a website for a business required either months of learning to code or thousands of dollars paid to a professional. That was the old world. In 2026, free AI tools can generate a complete professional, mobile-optimized website in literally one sentence of text input. One prompt, 30 seconds, done. The AI writes all the code, creates all the pages, adds the contact forms, the booking buttons, the service descriptions. You are not a web designer. You are not a coder. You are the person who knows how to use the AI tool and knows how to sell the result to someone who needs it. That's it. That's the entire business model. Build the website in 5 minutes using a free tool. Charge the business owner $1,000 to $1,500 for the setup. Charge them $297 every single month to maintain it. Repeat. One client pays you $297 a month. 10 clients pays you nearly $3,000 a month. 20 clients, and this takes less than an hour a day to maintain, pays you close to $6,000 a month, without ever showing your face, without ever leaving your house, without ever writing a single line of code yourself. Let me show you exactly how. The main tool you need is called Kimi. Go to kimi.ai, completely free to use, no credit card, no sign-up fee. Kimi is an AI model that can generate full websites from a single text prompt, and it does it better and faster than almost anything else available right now. Here's a real example of a prompt I would type. Type exactly this. Create a complete, professional, mobile-friendly website for a local plumbing business called Mike's Plumbing in Dallas, Texas. Include a home page with a hero section, services page, about page, contact form, and a booking button. Use a clean professional design with blue and white colors. Include a phone number placeholder, emergency call-out service section, and customer testimonial section. Watch what happens. Within 30 seconds, Kimi generates the complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a full professional website. Every page, every section, every button, mobile optimized. You don't need to understand any of that code. You just need to know how to copy it and put it somewhere people can see it. That's where hosting comes in. The cheapest way to host this is a free tool called Netlify. Go to netlify.com, create a free account, drag and drop the website folder Kimi generated. Your site is live in under 2 minutes on a real URL that you can show to clients. Free hosting, free tool, live website, total cost to you, zero. If you want a professional custom domain like www.mikesplumbingdallas.com, that costs around $10 to $15 per year on Namecheap or GoDaddy, that's your only cost, $10. You charge the client $1,000 to $1,500 for this. Your profit margin on that setup fee is essentially 100%. Now here's the part most people get wrong. They build a service and then have no idea how to find clients. With this method, finding clients is actually the easiest part. Open Google Maps right now, type any local business type plus your city, plumber in your city, restaurant in your city, dentist in your city, salon in your city. Look at the results. See these listings that show up, the ones with a name, a phone number, maybe some reviews, but no website link? That little absence, no website link, is your gold mine. That business is already visible enough to show up on Google Maps. They have customers. They are real. They just don't have a website. Build a simple spreadsheet. Business name, phone number, category. Do this for 20 businesses in one afternoon. That's your prospect list. You can also look for businesses where the website link is there, but when you click it, it takes you to something that looks like it was built in 2009. Broken layout. Not mobile-friendly, no contact form, no booking option. That business also needs you. Now, how do you reach them? You have two options, cold call or cold email. For cold call, just call the number, ask for the owner. Say exactly this. Hi, I was looking up your business online and I noticed you don't have a website yet. I actually built one for you already as a demo, completely free, and I'd love to show it to you for about 5 minutes. Is now a good time or would tomorrow work better? That's it. Short, direct. You already built the demo. That line gets callbacks. For cold email, the same structure works. Keep it under 5 sentences. Subject line. I built a free demo website for business name. Most business owners open that. Here is the single most important thing I can tell you about pitching this to a business owner. Do not pitch the website. Most people make this mistake. They walk in and say, here's my service, here's what I can build, here are my features, here's my price. The business owner's brain immediately goes to, this is going to cost me money. Instead, show them how the website makes them money. Open the demo you already built. Navigate to the booking button. Say this. Right now, if someone finds your business online at 11 p.m. after you close when they want to book you, what do? They can't book. They call during business hours. Or they move on to the next plumber who has a website. Point to the booking button on the demo. With this, someone finds you at 11 p.m., they book the job, and you wake up to a new confirmed appointment in your inbox. You didn't do anything. The website did it for you. That is the moment the business owner sees it. Not a website. Revenue they were leaving on the table. You are not selling a website. You are selling missed customers. You are selling bookings that happen while they sleep. At that point, price almost doesn't matter. Let's talk numbers. Here is exactly how to price this. You offer 2 things. Option 1, setup fee. Charge $1,000 to $1,500 to build and launch the website. Some people charge up to $5,000. The sweet spot for local businesses who don't know you yet is $1,000 to $1,500. Easy enough to say yes to without feeling like a big risk. Option 2, monthly maintenance fee. This is $297 per month, every month, forever. This is the part most beginners skip. Don't skip it. The monthly fee covers keeping the website updated, making small changes when the client asks, making sure it's running fast, adding new services as the business grows. Most clients don't ask you to do anything, but they pay every month because the website is working for them. Here's why recurring matters more than the setup fee. If you only charge setup fees, you have to find new clients every month just to pay your bills. You're always hunting. With recurring, your existing clients pay you whether or not you find new clients this month. Your income doesn't restart at 0 every single month. That stability is worth more than any one-time payment. Build the recurring base first. Everything else is a bonus. Now let's do the math together, because this is where it gets real. 5 clients, each paying $297 per month. That is $1,485 every single month. Recurring, without doing anything new, 10 clients, $297 each. That is $2,970 per month, nearly $3,000 every month. From clients you already have, from work you already did. 20 clients, $297 each. That is $5,940 per month, nearly $6,000. From a service that takes under an hour a day to maintain once everything is set up. Now add the setup fees on top. Every new client you bring in pays you $1,000 to $1,500 up front. Land 2 new clients a month. That's $2,000 to $3,000 in setup fees on top of your recurring base. Add 20 recurring clients plus 2 new clients per month. You're looking at $8,000 to $9,000 a month. Completely location independent. Completely faceless. Nobody needs to see your face. Nobody needs to know your name. You can run this entire business from your phone. The thing about this model is compounding. Month 1, you have 3 clients. Month 2, you have 6. Month 3, you have 10. By month 6, if you put in the work at the start, your recurring income alone covers your expenses. That's freedom. Real, actual freedom. I'm going to be real with you for a second. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real service that real businesses need and are genuinely willing to pay for. The businesses exist, the need is real, the tools are free. The only variable is whether you actually do it. Most people who watch this video will do nothing. They'll bookmark it, they'll save it, they'll think about it. The people who act, the people who open Google Maps today, find 20 local businesses without websites, build 1 demo, and make 1 phone call. Those are the people who will come back in 60 days and tell me it worked. Here's what I want you to do right now. Drop your city name in the comments below. If enough people comment from the same city, I'll make a specific tutorial showing exactly how to find clients in that market using real Google Maps results from that location. And if this video gave you a clear path forward, subscribe. I post every week on real tested ways to build income online using AI tools. No theory, no hype, just stuff that actually works. If you want to go deeper right now, my next video walks you through exactly how to use Kimi to build your first demo website live, from blank screen to published URL in under 10 minutes. Click that video. I'll see you there.